Hello, viewers. Welcome. Question 11A, WASI Novdek first batch, which is written in January, February. This is core mathematics. A cylindrical tank with a base radius of 3.5 meters is half filled with water. Then the water is then poured into a rectangular tank with dimensions 7 by 2 by 5.5 all in meters and completely filled. So it filled the rectangular tank completely with the half volume of water from the tank of cylindrical. So what is the height of the cylindrical tank? Remember, the volume of water in the cylindrical is half the volume of the container, the capacity of the cylindrical tank. So that means half of that is going to be the same as the volume in the rectangular tank. So what it means is that if we are to make a sketch of our rectangular tank, which is going to have the radius here as 3.5 meters, the height, which is going to be unknown, so we have the h, but if water is poured in as half, or I'm not having the direct, it's a half, so okay, that makes sense. So if this is half, this water here is just going to be half of the volume itself of what? The container. Remember, volume of what? Cylinder is given by the pi r square what? H. That is the volume. I mean the capacity of this cylinder, whether big or large, is the capacity. But the volume of water is not the same as this. So we can say that volume of water is going to be half of that. So half times the pi r square what? H. Where in this case, we know what the radius is, we know what the h is what they're looking for. So we can do substitution here and have this equals to 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times 3.5, let me just say square, times what? H. We should have volume of water equals to 77 divided by 4 times h. If I put in centimeter, is in centimeters, meters, so we can have meters cube. So that gives us the volume of water that is inside the cylindrical tank. So this water is also then poured into a rectangular tank, right? So this is also going to be our rectangular tank with each dimensions. Remember, the capacity of this tank is the same as the volume of water. So both are the same because it's completely what? Filled completely. So you can say that volume of water, right here under this, is going to be equals to the length times the breadth times what? The height, which is 7 by 2 by 5.5. So 2 by 5.5 should give you 11. 11 times 7 should be 77 meters cube. This is volume of water right under rectangular tank, volume of water right under the cylindrical tank. So it's the same volume. So we can now equate our 77 h over 4 equals to what? 77 here. What do? I can cross multiply, right? So 77 h equals to 77 times what? 4. Divide by 77. Then h will be equals to what? 4. Therefore, so we can say that the height of the cylinder is going to be 4 meters. So here it was 4 meters as the total height, not the height of water or the depth of water in the tank, but the actual height of the cylinder, how tall it is before the water is placed in the middle part of it. All right, just take your time. If you don't get it well, play it back again. If you don't get a concept, then get to the playlist on YouTube under Mensuration 2. How all these formulas, there's a comprehensive tutorial, episode by episode, on all this, how the volumes formulas are all derived. Try them out and keep yourself abreast. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.